Hi my friends, today I want to show you another interesting car from the 80s. It's DMC DeLorean. It's the car from Back to the Future. Excuse me. Yeah, it of course Hotwheels 1.64 scale. This is the back of it. It's from this year 2023. And this color turquoise with golden rims, it's amazing. Look at it. The shape is very nice even today. It wasn't a very performant car, but the design is very nice even these days. It has this butterfly opening doors. Yeah, this small window. Of course we don't have mirrors on the doors, which is a bad thing. Yeah, we have back lights, front lights made from metal. We have this a small spoiler or lip. How do you want to say it? Yeah, and it's a nice car. I like it. Underneath we have some details, as you can see. Suspension, exhaust pipes, all good. Yeah, very nice car. A very nice car, which I like it very much. So, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe, share and like to receive more and more videos like this. Until next time, I wish you all the best in the world. Bye.